Why does the concept of open data and digitization hold such a pivotal role in contemporary society? Imagine a world where every shred of data, from traffic patterns to weather systems, is freely accessible to innovate, solve problems, and drive decisions. This is the world Dr. Hwa A outlined in his recent keynote lecture at the University of California, San Francisco. Dr. Lim began by distinguishing open data from big data. While both are vast in scope, open data is about public accessibility and usability. It's not merely about owning massive amounts of data, but making it actionable and available across various sectors. He then delved into the essence of data sense and digitization. According to him, the real challenge isn't just storing big data, it's deciphering it. Companies and organizations must evolve digitally to dismantle data silos and harness the full potential of information. This necessity spans all sectors and is crucial for researchers who rely heavily on data. Dr. Lim meticulously re-examined the three stages of the digital age to emphasize this point. The first stage mirrored the industrial age with its hierarchical structure, where early computers used the metaphor of the office with desktops, folders, and files. This stage was about organizing data in a structured, predictable manner, much like the factories and systems of the industrial era. The narrative of digital evolution continued as he outlined the second stage, which introduced the web's organizing principle. Here, the basic unit shifted from files to pages, linked not in folders but in a sprawling, interconnected web. This stage marked a significant departure from hierarchy to a more networked and accessible format, with browsers acting as windows to this vast information network. Transitioning into the third stage, Dr. Lim described the era of real-time streaming, where the relevance of pages and browsers diminishes. Today, information is not statically stored but dynamically streamed, from social media feeds to live broadcasts and real-time data updates. This shift from batch mode to daily mode to real-time reflects our constant engagement with digital flows, highlighting a societal shift towards immediacy and perpetual connectivity. Dr. Lim further argued that the shift from fixity to fluidity in the digital age transforms how we perceive and interact with physical entities. For instance, tractors evolve into high-speed computers, land transforms into a networked sensor platform, and medicines into data capsules that provide real-time health insights. In conclusion, Dr. Lim's insights reveal a trajectory where efficiency, productivity, and immediacy define our interactions with data and technology. Open data is not just a resource, it is a beacon guiding us towards a more interconnected and accessible world. As we move forward, the challenge lies not only in accessing this data, but in transforming it into a conduit for innovation and societal advancement.